You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Leave me alone.
All right.
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 Buddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Blink if you want some of the popcorn I was eating. Oh.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Okay, so we can go potty.
It's bedtime. Let's go. Give me a song.
Oakley.
No.
Yes. Come here.
Come
Come here.
Real quick, and then you can come back in and play. Okay? Thank you.
Angel, I was thinking about going for a walk.
You can go swimming.
You have no balls. You don't.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Leave me alone.
All right.
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 Whisper.
Yeah, I love you. All right, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Tell him, say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely. Oh, my lips just get stuck in my
Be gentle. Listen, just bite it.
Gentle. Oh my god.
Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup.
Do you mind? Oh, you're gonna bring me the bully. Okay. Shake. Is that your dad?
Morning hugs.
Oh, je pas Oh dear. Go. Nope.
You don't like the snow. You don't want to be on the snow, little girl? Oh my god.
Oh!
Get her. Come on, that's bad. That's bad. What are you doing? That was Stop. Stop, Lola.
Took the best nap. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Riley, are you sad? No.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you.
You look like a potato.
This is not Starbucks. This is McDonald's.
What's the deal? I'm Power Play Bobby, this scrunch money, hardest white dog in the game.
Ow! God damn it!
Oh my god. Uzi, just bite it. Gentle. Uzi, just bite it. Gentle.
Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gentle.
What? We gotta.
Hey, wait! You can't dig in my hole, that's mine! Rudy! Give it back! Give it back!
That's the one, baby boy. You're looking great, sweetie.
A hole for what? More digging.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.